Today's episode of Little Kagura. Welcome everybody. Today we're going to work on a Volkswagen. We got a Hot Ones and a Classic. Okay? The Hot Ones is the little Beetle. I love the bugs. And the Classic is the little convertible, little rag top, little muffin top. We're just gonna do a simple wheel swap because I like variations. I like the older fast one wheels, black walls, pretty cool. So we're gonna put the white wall 5 spokes on the Beetle and the Hot Ones wheels on the convertible. Now I haven't pre-drilled these, so let's get started. I don't know what song this is, but whatever. It's all rainy today and yucky. Nice to be in the man cave, have a little fun, play with my little cars. I really got to find this drill stop, man, because I never know what. Hey, my phone just went off. I wonder if I got another subscriber. No, man, just broken wheelchairs. All right. Yeah, I've been getting lots of subscribers. It's kind of cool. Thank you to everybody that's subscribed to my channel. It's a lot of fun to do. It's nice to be able to share my hobby with some folks that have the same interests. Okay. There you go. This drill bit, by the way, 0.050. 50 thou. And the Allen wrench for my button head screws is number 50 as well. Keep the drill bit clean. Because the material's so soft, it gets stuck in there and gets balled up in there, and sometimes it's hard to get the drill out if you get it all filled up. I hope I don't drill through the trunk lid. I have done that on occasion. It's not a pretty sight. Alright, well, I think I've got it. I think I've got it where I want it. Get the Dremel. You know, I probably would have made a good dentist. But decided to become a mechanic instead. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Now I don't want to damage this axle and wheels because I want to reuse it. No place to grab or to pry. Here we go. Now it's apart. Dude looked like a lady. This is the back. Chassis is very little bit different on each of these. I wonder if I could just switch chassis. Slight difference on the bottom of them. They're both cast in Thailand. A little bit more of the dribble. No place to grab here. I don't want to bend the axle. I don't want to bend it, man. Oh, dude.
Jack, the police are on their way, and they didn't look too happy. I think you should hide everything.
Oh, dude. That's a booger bear to take apart. Okay, there's that one. There's this one. Let's see. A slight difference here. I don't think it's going to work. Uh-oh, what hit the ground? Something hit the ground. What was it? Ah, it's just a bottle top. No problemo. I like how the headlights are just these like little blobs of die-cast that pop through the holes. It's kind of cheeseball, but it's effective. What you can do is take and cut those off and put like something back there and make like California style headlights. I'm gonna have to do that one of these days. Yeah, see, there's a slight difference in this. Let's see if that'll work. Little trimmage. Well, see, it just doesn't fit right. There is a difference in these chassis plates. So we're gonna have to change the wheels over. Not a problem. But they do have the die-cast bases, so we're gonna have to grind them. Alright. Alrighty. Oh, a little bit more, eh? Guys have been asking about painting too. I'm going to be getting onto that. I got my little paint booth right over there. I'm going to be, I got to get it finished up all my plumbing and whatnot. So stay tuned for painting. There we go. Alrighty. What? Okay. There you go. Okay, cap it out. 256. I love Volkswagens. The old Volkswagen, the Beetles. The new stuff, meh. I can do without the new stuff. Yeah, I can do without the new stuff. Give us a couple of screwies.
No, that has nothing to do with our other hand in the puppet.
Elton John. Okay. Alright, almost done with this one. That looks pretty cool with the Hot Wheels. The Hot Ones wheels on it. Here you go. Pretty sweet. Okay, now. Switch the bug. The Type 1 over. The white walls on this one. This should look pretty sweet. Okay. There's the interior tub and the body. Oh, you know what? We've got to relieve the posts. And I've got to tap the holes. I have all my original red lines from 68, 9, 70. All of them. I gave away all my Matchbox cars, but I saved the red lines. I don't know what I was thinking. Now I wish I'd have kept the Matchbox as well, because they probably would have been worth more than the red lines. But yeah, when you're a kid, you know, you do crazy things. But I'm sure glad I kept my red.